This video, I'm going to show you how you can find a list of all the videos you collaborated on your YouTube channel. So if you had accepted collaboration from other channels and you'd like to see this list, then let me show you how you can find it. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to go and log into a YouTube studio. So I'll go to my YouTube studio here. Now under YouTube studio, go to content. And this will display all the videos that you published on your YouTube channel. However, I'm interested in finding videos that I accepted collaboration. To find all the videos that you had accepted to collaborate, you will not find them under videos. All you need to do is to go under content and choose collaboration. Here you'll see a list of all the videos that you are invited or you accepted to collaborate. And here you can see I have this video that I accepted a collaboration with another creator. So that's how you can find a list of all videos that you collaborated with other creators. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.